What a nice shower to be taken in such a high quality finishing bathroom. Some people say that men are good at cooking, and even better than women. To be honest, it all depends on how typical your kitchen is. Isn't the lounge wide enough and suits the high ceiling? It's me again. This time in my wide master bedroom, which has also a private bathroom. And is still confused actually to choose which one. Which one do you think? This one. It's a smart home system, so I can control the whole flat with this application. Turn off. A place like Nishantashi should have a project like this one. I mean, like, Nishantashi is the heart of Istanbul. You should have a project that has this luxury, that suits this area. Nishantashi, full of facilities, full of malls, and here is like 2 kilometers away from Taksim, 2 kilometers away from the beach. This project is called Carlton, and it has around 120 apartments. Let me tell you about Carlton Residences. We have 1+1, 2+1, until 8+1. Yes, 8+1, which is a triplex. Triplex means you have 3 floors, you have your own swimming pool, you have your own elevator, you have your own villa. Yes, I do call it a villa because you have your own things. It's in the 21st floor, but you have your own villa. Duplexes, everything is in a hotel service system, which means you have receptionist, you have room service, valet parking. You will live the luxury here in each single detail. Why to choose Nishantashi to live in? Simple answer, luxury. Nishantashi was built in the 19th century by Abdülmecid I, and it was meant to attract only nobles and high luxury people. And it's still the same until now. Only luxury people and high classy live in here. And it was a quick tour to Nishantashi, a place that you will not refuse ever. An exceptional area, Nishantashi, a luxury project, Carlton, modern system, all of this in one place. If you want to have a look, contact Imtilak on this number or visit our website imtilak.net. Have a luxury day.